how to turn on or turn off night mode into GIS. Hello, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can turn on or turn off the night mode into GIS. So how do you go about this? The first step is to log in or launch the GIS application where you can see the map and all of that. Then move to the bottom right corner, click on the 3 horizontal lines that you can see there. Then the box displayed, ensure you select settings. On the settings page, the next step is for you to navigate your way to night mode. All right, you can see all settings, then night mode. So most times there are different options for night mode. There is the system, there is the auto, there is the on, there is the off. So in order for you to put it on, just click on, tap on the on icon this way, and then your night mode will be turned on. Then to turn it off, click on off. All right, and then as you can see, night mode has been turned off. That's simple as that. For me, I want it to be the same as my system, so I'll just select system and leave it that way. So this is how to turn on or turn off night mode onto GIS. So why don't you go and explore it right away? Thank you for watching and have a good day.